Residents in Plymouth are struggling. No power, no gas. People are showing up at a gas station for help. WBZ's Kristina Rex is there. She continues our live coverage. Tough sledding, Kristina.
Yeah, seriously, Chris, 68% of the town of Plymouth is still without power today, and that includes many of the gas stations in town. Take a look behind me here. We've seen several people stopping by here looking for gas with just no such luck. The dig out begins on the South Shore. Rocky Mountain Springwater owner Ed Rose says all 32 of his stores in Massachusetts and Rhode Island had to close yesterday, and who knows when they'll open.
There's no power. I'm just getting prepared in case it opens up, and we'll make sure our customers have access as soon as they plow it. I was shocked that they didn't plow it. It's the second time in like 10 years.
The gas station is unplowed and powerless.
Seems like we got a pretty serious dig out over the next few days.
Residents are stopping by here looking for gas, a place to charge their phones, and believe it or not, any cell service, which is hard to find since the power went out during Monday's blizzard. Yeah, what has the last 24 hours been like?
Hectic. I'll tell you, we have our nephew, and we went to Walmart like impromptu the night before just to get some random snacks. Really, we didn't take the storm like as seriously as we should have, but we're lucky that we did get like random snacks because that's all we've been eating.
Right,
if we didn't have those, we might not have anything.
And there is still a state of emergency here in Plymouth until tonight, and all municipal buildings are closed for the entire day today in the town. But I will say, even though we know the temperatures are still cold, the sun really is doing its thing. The roads seem to have major improvements from yesterday. Live in Plymouth, Kristina Rex, WBZ News.
Good to hear. All right, Kristina, thanks for that.